Namaskar. In this video, I will be discussing about my experience of the Shunya program. In this program, you get initiated into a really very subtle process which is called Shunya meditation. You also get initiated into a powerful energy process which is called the Shakti Chalana Kriya. And you also learn the Surya Shakti, a type of sun salvation which is mainly towards your physical well-being. So the Shunya program was just after 7 days when I completed the Bhavaspandana. If you haven't seen the Bhavaspandana video, I request you to see that first. You can click at the link here. So in those 7 days, I mostly sat at the Dhyanaya. That's all that I did. After the 7 days, I and my mother together went for the Shunya program. In my video about my visit to the Isha Yoga Center for the first time, I had talked that when I visited the Adiyogi Alayam during that visit, we were not allowed to go in because there was Hatha Yoga teacher training program going inside it. But this time, the Shunya program was going to happen at the Adiyogi Alayam, and I was going to stay there inside the hall with the lingam at the side for 4 continuous days. I saw this as a great opportunity. So at 4 p.m. on 18th January, the program started. In the starting, they played a few videos in which Sadhguru talks about this program and what potential it has. Specifically, the Shunya meditation is a really very important step in our spiritual growth. It takes you away from the physical. It takes you away from whatever you have accumulated, be it your physical body, your mental structure, everything. It allows you to touch the deepest core of your own life, of which everything else is just an expression. It is a process to connect you to the subtle core, the silent, the stable, the still core of your own existence. And the Shakti Chalana Kriya, as its name implies, is also a process to channel and direct your energies in different parts of your body. This makes your physical body, your mental body, and specifically the energy body much more vibrant. You start getting more and more control over your energies and how and where to direct it. And about the Surya Shakti, I would really request you to see this video where I have explained in detail the difference between Surya Kriya, Surya Namaskar, and Surya Shakti. So Surya Shakti is a process to make your physical body more agile, more flexible, more powerful, and above all, it creates a certain level of balance in the physical body, on which you can do the Shakti Chalana Kriya much more effortless, and it will bear more results. So as the program moved on, I realized that this program is also completely different in the way it has been structured and it has been offered in comparison to what inner engineering or Hatha Yoga or the Bhavaspandana was. So as the Bhavaspandana program, I won't be able to tell you more about what happens at the Shunya program. What are the processes, which day what happens, how many times they give you food, etc. etc. But one thing I can tell you for sure, if you are committed to the process, if you want to move forward in your spiritual growth, if you really want to take more charge over your body, your mind and your energies, then you should not postpone this program for even one day. One female participant said something similar at the end of the program to everybody. She had done the inner engineering 4 years back, and since then she was just postponing doing the Shunya. And after completing the program, she realized that she made a huge mistake. She had to do this program much back. If she had done so, she would be at a different level altogether till this time. After I heard her, I was really happy that I completed the program just after 1.5 years of my Shambhavi. The Shunya meditation is a 15-minute meditation which has to be done twice a day throughout your life. How to do it, what happens in it, when to do it, these things I'm not allowed to tell you. So after the program ended, I and my mother went back to our hometown. We both had to come back to Isha just the next month for the Samyama program. But till then, we had the 40-day mandala for the Shakti Chalana Kriya. We had to do that practice twice a day for 40 continuous days. So to conclude, after I was initiated into the Shunya meditation and I practiced the Kriya, the meditation, for a few days, I realized that this 15 minutes is not a simple normal meditation. It in some ways makes you consciously dead twice a day, every day. This sounds crazy, but this is what it is like. If the Shunya meditation happens properly, it will take you to a dimension which is the core of your existence. You will become so still, calm, peaceful and relaxed that when you come back, you will come back in a completely different world. It is that powerful. It has been few months since I have been practicing the Shunya meditation and the Shakti Chanana Kriya. Together, they act as such a powerful combination that whenever I come out of Shunya, I need some time, few minutes, to sit quietly before going back to action. It takes you to a different dimension altogether. I hope that I made you consider do this program as soon as possible. The prerequisites for this program is the Inner Engineering program. So if you haven't done that, you should do that first. In the next video, I will be reviewing the latest book of Sadhguru called Death. This is a really very interesting book and it is so informative that each and every person should read this as soon as possible. So I hope to see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Namaskar.